How to fix Google Meet no audio problem. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet no audio problem. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC or laptop, and then click on the three dots on the upper right in your internet browser. Once you're here, you're going to be clicking on Settings from the three dots. And then you will now be redirected to the Settings window. In here, use the search bar. Now over at the search bar, you're going to be typing in Micro. And then, Site Settings should appear. Click on it this time. Once you are here, look for the microphone icon. Now click on it. Once you're here, just follow the settings on my screen so that you should be all good to go. But for some other cases, in the drop down over here, you can change your default microphone to your input or built-in microphone from your laptop or your external microphone, depending on which one is more preferable. Once done, you can now minimize your internet browser. Now the next step is, we are going to be opening our control panel. To do that, go to your search bar in your PC and then search for Control Panel. Once you find it, open it. You will now be redirected to Control Panel. At this very juncture, you will now go to Hardware and Sound. Once you click on it, there should be some new options. Look for Sound. Now, tap on the speaker icon that says Sound. Once you are here, another window will pop up. Then look for Speaker or Headphone. Now go to Recording this time. This will allow you to tweak your microphone. In here, you will see your default microphone being used for your PC. Right-click on it, and then you can now disable or enable the other microphones that you either need or not. And then you can also go to their properties. Once you go to Properties, in here, you will see a lot of options. We can go to the Levels tab for now. In here, we can also adjust the levels of our microphone for the input going into our PC or laptop. Make sure this does not become muted. You will know it's not muted if there are two parentheses coming out of the speaker. Now you can close that one and close the sound window as well. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.